I like to think that I'm a good guy with good morels, and sometimes I'm left in the dark with stuff, but I don't give a shiitake because at the end of the day, I'm a fun guy. I have 2 pounds, or about 800 grams, of Cremini mushrooms. Now, you can definitely try different mushrooms here, but I'm just going with something that is readily available for everyone. I do love porcini and morels, and they would be amazing for this recipe. Expensive, but amazing. Now, you can clean your mushrooms with a paper towel, and then give the stem a bit of a trim, or you can remove the whole stem and have more of a mushroom cap, up to you. I'm also keeping the mushrooms whole, and I made sure to pick mushrooms close in that size. But you can slice, quarter, whatever you like. And you can also wash or rinse your mushrooms, contrary to popular belief. Just make sure to trim or remove any blemishes before washing, as they can become slippery. And all that extra moisture will be removed anyways when we roast. Once all cleaned, trimmed, and in a bowl, let's add 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil and season with salt and freshly cracked pepper, and then give a nice mix to coat all the mushrooms. Lay down some tin foil on a baking sheet and place the mushrooms down and space them out the best you can, and then we're going to place in the oven at 400 degrees for about an hour, depending on your oven. Now let's prepare just a little bit for the sauce. Pick some tarragon leaves from their stems, about 5 grams or 2 to 3 tablespoons, and then finely chop it up and then just set aside. Now this is something I saw from Kenji Lopez on Serious Eats. After about 15 to 20 minutes of the mushrooms roasting, take them out and pour out whatever mushroom juice that has been released. I was able to get about just over 2 tablespoons worth, and then we're just gonna place in a bowl and then place the mushrooms back in the oven. But don't throw away that mushroom juice. We are gonna use it. It's part of our sauce. In a pan on medium heat, add whatever mushroom juice you were able to get. I got just over 2 tablespoons worth. Now, if you were able to get a lot of mushroom juice, you can save the rest for soups or whatever you like. Add 1 smashed garlic clove and 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Add some chili flakes for some heat if you like, and then add in the tarragon and half a tablespoon of lemon juice. Bring the heat down to low and let the sauce reduce and simmer until the mushrooms are done. When the sauce is done, you can remove the garlic or leave it in, as it will be sort of a little flavor bomb and can be a surprise if someone eats the whole clove. Just before the mushrooms are done, take them out and finely grate some fresh Parmigiano Reggiano all over the mushrooms as much as you like. This is similar to what we did in my roasted butternut squash recipe, and I'll leave a link in that in the description below. And then we're just gonna place them back in the oven until the cheese is melted, browned, and crispy. All right, these mushrooms are done. They smell amazing. They're nice and dark and meaty and roasted. They have beautiful color. And even though we got rid of a lot of moisture, they're still juicy when you bite into them. So I'm just gonna try one here. You know, it's still got a little bit of give. You know, they're all wrinkly, but it's delicious. So, still so much flavor. And now we're gonna add that mushroom sauce with the tarragon and butter, and we got a good one. Once the mushrooms are done, we're just gonna remove them to a bowl and pour over that sauce and mix it all up. Then plate it up, pour over any extra sauce, and garnish with fresh tarragon. And, you know, bring it to the table. If you love mushrooms, I mean, what's not to like about this recipe? You're roasting the mushrooms, they're getting nice texture to them. You know, you got rid of the moisture, but they're still juicy inside. And then you made that sauce with the mushroom juice, the butter and the tarragon, the garlic. Shit. I forgot bread. Do I have bread? I don't know if I have bread. Damn. Okay, when you make this recipe, don't forget the bread, because you're gonna wanna sop up all that juice and the sauce, and oh, I wish I had some bread. All right, next time. Anyways, I hope you give this a go. And as always, the full recipe's in the description below. Please like and comment. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And until next time, ciao.